Alright, they're about to do the hot sauce challenge.
Another one.
Ada's just like, oh, I can't do it.
Can you do it? Do you actually taste it when you drink it? A little bit. You want more?
I don't know. Like,
I'll do half one.
okay.
This chick is crazy.
I love hot sauce. I wish I could make you do it. Can do. We're done. I don't want to drink it all.